Model kayo, ma'am.
Oh yes.
No, no. It's
Sige.
more like,
Pwede ka rin mag-model, ma'am.
That's right.
parang hindi bagay, kuya.
Yung may naisakay ka na CS na maganda at Inglesera pa pero mabait. Wow.
Pag na-graduate ka, pabansa.
Actually, kuya, I'm working now.
Working ka na, ma'am? Saan?
Wow. In Makati.
Ano yung trabaho niya, ma'am?
I'm a sales associate and a marketing.
Wow. Paldo pala to si ma'am sa sahod, Mga 100K, ma'am, a month.
Grabe, kuya. I'm a freelancer po. So, I don't only work for one company. Like, ina-upgrade ko na lang service.
Oo.
Yeah.
Model kayo, ma'am.
No, no, no. It's more like,
Pwede ka rin mag-model, ma'am, eh.
That's right.
parang hindi bagay, kuya.
What?
I don't think it's for me.
Ganun. Pwede. Ganda-ganda mo, eh.
Marunong mag-model.
Pwede, ma'am.
It's more like, ano lang, kuya. They're going to tell me, ano yung gusto nilang ibenta. And then, ako yung maghahanap ng mga taong magbibentahan.
Wow.
Ako yung kakausap.
Nagla-live ka rin, ma'am, sa TikTok, ganun.
No, kuya. Kasi it's more on corporate yung
Mm.
target market ko.
Wow.